This is the I86. It's a fully functional health, sports, fitness watch with all kinds of controls you can do. You've got all your different activities, walking, running, hiking, biking, basketball, everything you want. You can go right into them, get started. You have push notifications sent to you from your phone when you're tethered to it. And you've got all kinds of apps, including heart rate, ECG, which is probably not the legitimate real ECG. You got sedentary reminders. There's your fitness stuff. You've got the QR code for Fundo, the app that you tether to this. Layout differences. This is kind of fun. You can do temperature on this watch along with blood pressure and blood oxygen. So the complete portfolio of all the goodies you want to measure there. Alarms, a music player, calendar, remote camera action is on it. You've got a built-in separate calculator on this watch. You've got twist your wrist to see the time, flip your phone to hang up calls, all kinds of stuff. Entire settings section and a bunch of different watch faces that you can change right from the app here on these pages, or you can get a whole lot easier. Just twirl the knob to change to whichever one you want. When you're on your apps, just push the button to go to any page you'd like. Oh, did I mention it also has Bluetooth calling built into this one as well? Yeah, it's a really nice, robust, big screen watch. It's the I86. Check it out.